So dear friends, if you want to save a new contact number on your phone, then keep watching this video till the end. First, open your call application from the bottom, and near the bottom you get three options: keypad, recents, and contacts. So select the third option, contacts. Near the top side you see a plus icon here, so click on it. Now first you gotta enter the name of the person. For example, I'm entering the name. Now I'm entering the phone number. So this is the phone number, and if you want, you can add an email address too. And now at the very top you get some options to save your phone number. The phone number is getting saved in SIM card. But if you want to change the saved location, you can change too. Just click on this down arrow icon. And if you want to save the contact number in an email address, you can do that too. But in this example, I want to save this contact number in SIM1. And now at the bottom right corner, click on save. So this is how you can save any phone number on your phone. If you found the video a little bit helpful, then hit a like. And if you want to watch more of this kind of helpful and informative videos, then do subscribe to the channel right now. So see you soon in the next video with another helpful content like this. Till then, thank you. Bye-bye.